Do you want a solution to all your heavy-duty fabrication work? Looking for a tool that outperforms bandsaws, grinders, even plasma cutters for cost per cut, speed, and ease of use? Well, this is your new friend. The Evolution S210CCS 8¼ inch metal cutting circular saw with supplied 8¼ inch mild steel cutting TCT blade. I'm Al the Steel Guy, and welcome to another tool guide as I bring you all the features and specs of this guy right here. So let's get into it. Fitted with a powerful 15 amp high torque motor and gearbox system, this saw will slice through bar, rod, angle, square tube, and sheet metal in a matter of seconds. Faster, cleaner, and much safer than an abrasive method of cutting. This gives you weld-ready cuts which are cool enough to handle right off the saw. Now, moving over to the tool I have here, it's a game changer in the field of metal cutting solutions with its innovative features and track compatibility. It's accurate, giving you the ability to achieve precision cutting on your sheet metal and profiles. It's reliable for long blade life and tool durability, whether you're cutting steel profiles, tubing for kit cars, building industrial furniture, to heavy-duty on-site fabrication work. And it's powerful, with the torque to cut through even the toughest materials. Cut metal like butter with this saw, and without any reduction in blade capacity or performance. Let's dive into the cutting specs, because I know you're wanting to know the depth of cut. Simply release this lever here to adjust the depth. At maximum capacity, it can cut through metal pipe or tubing to a whopping 3 inches. Perfect for those large square, rectangular, or round stock. This saw can cut to an impressive wall thickness of ½ inch in sheet materials and plate. There's a parallel edge guide included, which slides in like so, and a quick tighten of the locking knob, and you're ready to go. For assisted accurate line cutting in all your sheet materials from mild steel plate to aluminum cladding. This is made from cast aluminum and is the full length of the machine, ensuring it is fully secured in place. There are markings on the guide to assist with your cutting measurements. A great safety feature is this guard retraction lever you can see here. It's been designed to allow the guard to retract without having to remove your hands from the handle, staying in complete control of both the machine and on that cutting line. And I really like this ambidextrous handle design here. The soft grip ensures it's both comfortable and easy to use. It gives you complete freedom of control and precision, whether you're a left or right-handed user. On the handle here, which is also soft grip, the trigger handle is also designed for both handed use, so you can easily activate the lock-off switch here like so. Watch this. As soon as I ease off the trigger, the electronic blade brake kicks in, stopping the blade in seconds. A fantastic feature that I like is this integrated automatic chip collector. The vent here works to reduce the heat buildup, which is effective especially when cutting larger workpieces. The window here allows you to monitor chip collection levels while working with the saw. To empty, engage this button here to remove the outer cover. There's 2 ways to empty the collection tray. Either activate this quick release button for tool-free operation in emptying the collector, or if you've been undertaking heavy fabrication work, this may be a little warm. So give it a tap like so to empty out the compartment. Now, put it back in place and you're good to go. For blade changes, it's quick and easy. Simply locate the onboard tool storage in the form of this handy Allen wrench here. As I demonstrated earlier, again, remove the chip collection cover like so to gain access to the blade arbor. Insert the Allen wrench like this and engage the arbor lock like so to loosen the bolt. As you can see on the screen here, all you have to do is remove the bolt and outer flange, and then swap out for your fresh blade and mount it in place. Put back the flange and screw on the arbor bolt. Again, engage the arbor lock for that final tighten, secure the blade back in place, clip back on the cover, and you're ready for action. There's an overload system light situated here on the saw. During normal operation, this light will always be green. If the saw is put under excessive load, for instance after weeks of use and the blade is dull, this light may turn red. This will indicate the motor is under heavy load and there may be a risk of overheating. You can either stop and pause operation or finish that cut and put the saw down to rest. Or swap out the blade if needs be. A nice feature, which will assist with maximizing the motor life. The solid aluminum base has a window here, so you can easily monitor where the front of your blade is at all times during operation. This window here is your line of sight. Now, a great feature of this saw is the use of shadow line technology implemented. An LED work light casts a sharp shadow onto the blade's cutting path on the workpiece, ensuring your cut stays true. This level of accuracy is an essential feature to ensure all your cuts are spot on, clean, and ready to work on. As an optional accessory, the track adapter I have here is a neat upgrade for this saw. These two grooves here nest onto the base here and clip on like so. Then you can quickly tighten in place with these two wing nuts supplied. This adapter, like the parallel guide, is formed from rigid cast aluminum, and once fitted to either the 55 or 110-inch tracks available, can guarantee a straight and true cut in all your sheet metals. In addition to the supplied mild steel blade, Evolution also offers a range of material-specific 8¼ inch blades which are compatible with this circular saw. There's an aluminum cutting blade, which I have here. This blade has a specially designed tooth geometry to enable it to avoid clogging on the aluminum stock, which is inherently a soft metal. When cutting aluminum, it's recommended to use a light lubricant. The thin steel blade, which looks like this, the kerf is slimmer than the mild steel blade and has been designed to leave a cleaner and smoother cut on those particularly thin metals. Last but not least, there's this stainless capable blade here. If you're needing to cut 302, 303, or 304 graded stainless, this is the option for you. Do be sure to check the grade of the metal from your supplier, as there are lots of different grades of stainless available on the market. Evolution Power Tools backs all this up with a best-in-class 3-year warranty with this saw, so you can be sure this will be tough enough to stand up to all that heavy-duty metal and fabrication work you have in the pipeline. And there you have it, the Evolution S210CCS 8¼ inch metal cutting circular saw with optional track adapter, a heavy-duty option for cutting all your metal profiles and sheets and much quicker, cleaner, and safer than abrasive methods. That's it from me today. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you on the next one.